Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm just gonna quickly go over some of the updates I added to Jarvis. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I switched computers. Currently, I'm on my new desktop. Earlier, I was running Jarvis on my old laptop, which had like subpar specifications. So I felt like I needed to switch computers, and I bought a new desktop. If you want to know about the specifications of the desktop, yeah, let's leave a comment below. I might respond and stuff like that. Uh, Other than that, I'm just gonna quickly get one thing out of the way, and that is like whatever I showed in the previous video, like the movie downloader, movie info, show info, VPN and stuff like that. I'm not gonna like alarm clock. I'm not gonna go over them again in this video because I want to keep this video short and brief. And so I'm just gonna quickly go over three major updates that I added. One is a report compiler, image search, and what else? Report compiler, image search. I can't really recall actually. I forgot. Basically, we will see. We will see. And there's some miscellaneous stuff. I will just show you. Anyway, let's get into the video. Jarvis. Jarvis.
I am online.
What's the weather like?
The current weather is haze and the approximated temperature is 26 degrees Celsius.
Check my Gmail.
Sir, you currently have 100 emails in your inbox. Your most recent email is from YouTube, and the subject of the mail is Xiologidith V2 just uploaded a video.
Mute.
Microphone muted.
So weather, mail, and stuff like that. It can also like read my Hotmail. Um, Also, it completely like butchered KSI, Ola, GDBT, HD. That's fine. Um, that's a TTX engine problem. That has nothing to do with like the actual program. Other than that, I might show you my Hotmail thing. I might not, because you get the idea. It's the same thing. There's YT searches. So basically, you can type a name of a query. So basically, you type the query in, and it will play the most, not the most, it will play the topmost video of the search list. So basically, I will show you. Unmute,
Microphone unmuted.
search, play. Mute.
Microphone muted.
So I searched Dragon Ball Super, and it plays this video of Gogeta versus Vita, some fan animation, and apparently this should be the topmost search in the list. That's why it played the video. I will just leave a like because it got featured in my video. It helped my video a bit, so doesn't really make sense there, but yeah. What else can it do? Image searches is one more example. I'm gonna go over the image search now. Unmute,
Microphone unmuted.
search, show images, mute.
Microphone muted.
So as you can see, you can search for images. It will give you 10 image results of your query. So over here it's Spider-Man, so it will give me 10 images of Spider-Man. What else? Yeah, it can also clear up my temporary folder. For example, as you can see, there's a bunch of files and folders which have been created. Basically, these are junk files, so the computer will create these, and the computer might get slow depending on how much it will like how much files have been hogged in this folder. So many people don't know about this folder, and many people don't know that you can clear this folder to improve your computer performance. So uh, for those people who are not very I won't say tech savvy, but who are not really uh, who are not really aware of these stuff. Jarvis can help you out by just you can ask him to like clear temp folder and it will. So unmute, unmute,
Microphone unmuted.
delete temp files, mute.
Microphone muted.
So as you can see, it deleted every file which is
Microphone unmuted.
mute.
Microphone muted.
So as you can see, it deleted every file which is not being used by any process. So these are the files and folders which are being used. So obviously, it did not delete them because Windows won't allow you to delete those files. That's a different thing. There's a report compiler which is it just gives.
Microphone unmuted. Microphone muted.
Okay, Jarvis is doing some madness there. Like it's picking up my voice. It's constantly listening to me. So every time it thinks I'm asking it to, not mute the microphone, uh, it will just not mute the microphone. I can't say the word because it will think I'm asking it to not mute the microphone. Um, so there's a report compiler. So if you search in a query, it will just create a brief report about the thing or the person and whatever. So for example, unmute, unmute,
Microphone unmuted.
search, report, mute.
Microphone muted.
So as you can see, it creates a report on Robert Downey Jr. It pulls up an image. Uh, so all these stuff like his date of birth, place of birth, a brief history, then
Microphone unmuted. Opening.
mute.
Microphone muted.
All these stuff. It pulls it from Wolfram Alpha and just displays it. Also, one more thing, I know it heard like run Dota and it did not, because I know this problem keeps happening where I just speak something else and it will pick up whatever and start applications. So anything which has to do with games and stuff like that, I have like removed the starting process so that I don't run into issues. Like I'm trying to fix the mute functionality a bit more so that like it has to be very apt. So like as you can see, like it's just picking up random things and like doing random stuff. So I don't want that. So I'm gonna fix the mute thing. One more feature which I added is the I'm leaving feature. It's not completely developed, so it's just a test feature. I will still show you guys, but I will give you all the idea of what's the idea behind. Like I will give you the idea of what's the idea behind it. I don't know. I guess uh, unmute.
Microphone unmuted.
I'm leaving.
Goodbye, sir. I will turn off the microphone and the monitor.
I'm back. I'm back.
Good to have you back, sir. Do you want me to update you with the latest info?
Yes.
Test yes successful.
Mute.
Microphone muted.
So when I said I'm leaving, it turned off my microphone and my monitor, and when I said I'm back, it turned on the mic. I haven't yet fixed the monitor turning on thing, like because you can't do that with CMD yet. I think. Other than that, when you say I'm back, it asks you if you want to know about the latest info and stuff like that. If you say yes, he will tell you about the weather, the news, your Gmail, Twitter, and all.
Microphone unmuted.
Mute.
Microphone muted.
Twitter and stuff like that. Uh, so I said yes, and it replies with test yes successful. So it's still a test. I mean, it's not completely developed, like I said. So it's still in test. So I'm gonna add those. What else can it do? I guess that's pretty much it for this video because I don't think there are any major stuff which I have to show you. Like I said, I want to keep it short and quick. So that's it. If there's anything I have forgotten, I'm sorry. I will add that in another video. And once I feel like the program has been like completely, like not completely but developed enough for a proper demonstration video, I will do that. And then I'm just gonna make it available for beta testing, and then probably make it available for download. Anyway, that's it. Bye.